Hey guys, this is how to create Pioneer account Singapore. So first, just simply go to pioneer.com over here. And after that, just simply click on sign in on the top right over here. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on sign up on the left side over here. And after that, it will redirect you to the sign up page. So just simply choose the account type that you want. So you can go for e-commerce, seller, wholesaler, exporter, or any of these. So in my case, I will be a freelance. So click on it. And after that, just simply provide the monthly money that you receive. So let's say I'm going to go for 5,000 less than. And after that, just simply click on register over here. Now from here, guys, if you have a registered business in any government, you can just simply click on yes or no. And if you go for yes, just simply provide the information about your business. And now from here, just simply provide your information like your first name, last name, and email address, and also date of birth. And after that, guys, just simply click on next over here. And now from here, just simply select the country as Singapore. And now just simply provide your address in Singapore and just simply provide the necessary information about your address. And after that, just simply select your mobile number. So make sure to select Singapore, or if you're using other phone number, you can just simply go ahead and provide it. And after that, guys, just simply click on send code and a verification code will be sent to you. So just simply go to your phone. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on next. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and provide your password over here down below and re-enter it down below as well. And just simply provide a security question and just simply provide the answer as well. And just simply provide the country of nationality. So we're gonna go for Singapore. Just simply provide the business category that you have again. So let's say I'm gonna go for sales and marketing. And if we scroll down further, just simply provide an RIC number or FIN number. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And after that, guys, you should be able to choose how you will verify your ID. You can use SingPass or manual verification. And after that, just simply click on next. And from there, guys, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And from there, you should be able to create an account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.